हेलो गाइस कैसे हो आप सब लोग। उम्मीद करता हूँ आप सब अच्छे होंगे। आज हम खेल रहे हैं एक्सट्रीम मोटर बाइक्स। इसको मैंने हैक करा हुआ है, तो आप बता दीजिएगा गेम कैसा लगा। ये नया गेम है, आप बता दीजिएगा गेम कैसा लगा है। ठीक है, अभी मैं सबकी बाइक की स्पीड चेक करके आपको दिखाऊंगा। क्रैश मतलब बंदा उतरता है जैसे बाइक से, वो भी दिखाऊंगा। अच्छे से वीडियो एंजॉय करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, शेयर करें, कमेंट करें और बताइए मेरे गेम प्ले के साथ। इसमें एक गाड़ी है, उसकी स्पीड मेरे से कंट्रोल नहीं होती, तो फिर भी मैं कंट्रोल करके आपको दिखाऊंगा और आपको बताऊंगा कैसा है कैसा नहीं है। अब आप देखें, यहाँ आ गई है बाइक। मैं एक एक करके स्पीड चेक करवाऊंगा। स्पीड देख लीजिएगा, मुझे कंट्रोल करनी पड़ेगी बाइक, ठीक है। तो फिर ये सबसे पहले आती है हमारी स्कूटी लाल वाली, जो सभी चलाते हैं। अब आप वीडियो को एंजॉय करें, एक एक करके गाड़ियाँ देखें। मुझे नाम नहीं पता इनके, बाकी जिसको ये गेम चाहिए होगा ना, मेरे को बता दीजिएगा, मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक डाल दूँगा। आपको तरीका भी समझाता हूँ। अभी पहले आप ये वीडियो पूरी देख लें, फिर मैं आपको तरीका भी समझाऊंगा ये डाउनलोड कैसे होता है, ठीक है। अब आप वीडियो को एंजॉय करें।
Live it up on the attack, baby I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life, I'm crazy, I'm mad. Do it no cap, only got one, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed, baby I'm bad, baby I'm bad. I got cash in the bag, stadium packed, border rocks on the side, live it up on the attack, baby I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life, I'm crazy, I'm mad. Do it no cap, only got one, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed, baby I'm bad. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less. You check as I'm chess, what's happening next? Yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson. He got a new engine from pain, that's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill, no discretion. Your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions and the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off, I'ma break off from the weak mind. try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. And when they try the chains, you can say no, free me.
We gon' burn it down. Burn it down. We gon' burn it down. Burn it down. I killed it, it's murder. I killed it, it's murder. I killed it, it's murder. I killed it, it's murder.
I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker.
Show them. Change the station with a new shit. Show them. Change the station with a new shit. Change the station. Change the station. Change the station with a new shit. With a new shit. Change the station. Change the station. Change the station with a new shit. With a new shit.
It's murder. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker.
I killed it.
I killed it, it's murder.
Show them. Change the station with a new shit. Show them. Change the station with a new shit. Change the station. Change the station. Change the station with a new shit. With a new shit. Change the station. Change the station. Change the station with a new shit. With a new shit.
I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder.
Go crazy, berserker.
इसकी स्पीड थी 145, अगर आपको समझ में नहीं हो। अब मैं आपको इसका डाउनलोड करने का प्रोसेस बता देता हूँ।
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh.